The mass of Earth is about 6 times 10 to the 21st metric tons. The mass of Saturn is about 5.7 times 10 to the 23rd metric tons. About how many times the mass of Earth is the mass of Saturn? Express the answer in scientific notation. So to answer this, we need to take the mass of Saturn, which is 5.7 times 10 to the 23rd, divided by the mass of Earth, which is 6 times 10 to the 21st. So when dividing scientific notation, we'll simply take 5.7 divided by 6, and that is equal to 0.95. And then we have times 10 to the 23rd times 10 divided by times 10 to the 21st. So here we're dividing two numbers with the same base, so we simply subtract the exponents. So our quotient becomes 0.95 times 10 to the 23 minus 21, which is the second power. This answer is not yet in the form of scientific notation. We need to move the decimal point one place to the right and reduce the exponent by 1. So the answer is 9.5 times 10 to the first